Hi guys, here we've got TCL 205 and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So at first reach settings, then scroll all the way down and click on about phone. Now also go to the very bottom of the list and when you see build number, just tap on it 7 times. And that's it. As you can see, from now on you're a developer. So let's go back, open system, enroll advanced, and here you will notice developer options now. And you can smoothly use all of them. So if you'd like to, for example, verify bytecode, okay, so it's actually active. So if you'd like to deactivate it smoothly and mark it, and then you can turn it on the same way and it's working just the same way for any other option here. Then whenever you wish to close to switch off developer options, just unmark top switcher, and as you can see they are no longer active, and then to reach them again you will have to unlock developer panel again. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.